Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Energize Shower Steamers is probably one of the most innovative ways to transform your daily shower into a spa-like aromatherapy experience, infusing your bathroom with invigorating scents that awaken your senses and prepare you for the day ahead, making it an essential addition to your self-care routine. Number 5. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 15-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Simply place one in your shower and let the steam activate the essential oils for a spa-like experience. Looking for the perfect gift? These steamers are ideal for Father's Day, birthdays, or any occasion to show someone you care. Give the gift of relaxation and self-care. Infused with premium tea tree essential oil, each tablet provides a potent aromatherapy boost. Enjoy the natural benefits for stress relief and a sense of calm. Melt away stress and tension with the power of aromatherapy. Let the soothing scents fill your shower, creating a tranquil oasis for ultimate relaxation. Bring the spa experience home. These steamers offer a convenient way to indulge in self-care without leaving your bathroom. It's a simple yet effective way to rejuvenate. This generous 15-pack ensures you have plenty of these delightful shower steamers on hand. Enjoy extended periods of tranquility and well-being. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with the invigorating scent of tea tree oil. These are perfect for unwinding after a long day. If you're looking for a comprehensive spa experience at home, this 15-pack offers great value and is ideal for consistent self-care. What people say. These shower steamers are a great way to start your day. They fill the shower with a wonderful aroma that is both invigorating and relaxing. The scents are strong and long-lasting, and they don't leave any residue in the shower. Number 4. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 15-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Experience a spa-like atmosphere right in your own bathroom. Unwind after a long day with the calming scent of premium lavender essential oil. Let the stress melt away as you breathe in the soothing vapors. Looking for a thoughtful Father's Day gift? These luxury spa gifts for men offer the ultimate relaxation and self-care experience. Crafted with premium lavender essential oil, each tablet releases a rich aroma to enhance your mood. Enjoy the therapeutic benefits of natural aromatherapy. Simply place one in your shower and let the steam activate the essential oils. It's an easy and effective way to practice self-care. This generous 15-pack ensures you have plenty of these delightful aromatherapy tablets on hand. Enjoy a moment of tranquility whenever you need it. What we like. Indulge in the calming aroma of lavender for a truly luxurious spa experience. This set is designed to melt away stress and promote deep relaxation. If you desire a premium, calming escape and appreciate the finer things, this 15-pack is a wonderful choice for your self-care routine. What people say. The scents are amazing and they really fill the shower with fragrance. These steamers create a wonderful spa-like experience in the shower. They dissolve slowly, providing a long-lasting aromatherapy session. Number 3. Cleverfy Eucalyptus Shower Steamers. Elevate your daily routine with the invigorating scent of eucalyptus. These shower steamers turn your ordinary shower into a spa-like aromatherapy escape. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These steamers are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Show the special women in your life you care. Experience the calming and refreshing benefits of aromatherapy right in your own bathroom. Simply place one in your shower and let the natural essential oils work their magic. Each package contains 18 tablets, ensuring you have plenty for regular use. Enjoy a luxurious shower experience time and time again. Let the soothing steam and natural fragrance help you unwind after a long day. It's the perfect way to relax, de-stress, and recharge your mind and body. Whether it's for your mom, wife, best friend, or sister, these steamers make a wonderful and unique present. A little self-care goes a long way. What we like. Breathe in the refreshing and clarifying scent of eucalyptus for an invigorating shower. This large pack ensures you won't run out of your favorite aromatherapy experience anytime soon. If you love the decongestant and refreshing properties of eucalyptus, this is a fantastic option, especially as a thoughtful gift. What people say. The scent is amazing and lasts a long time. These shower steamers create a wonderful spa-like experience. They dissolve slowly, providing a long-lasting aroma. Number 2. Cleverfy Shower Steamers Aromatherapy. Looking for the perfect birthday gift? Surprise her with a unique present she'll truly appreciate. Transform her shower into a spa-like sanctuary. Our aromatherapy steamers offer a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Show her you care with a thoughtful gift. Ideal for wives, moms, grandmas, best friends, and sisters. Help her unwind after a long day. These steamers provide a soothing escape and a moment of tranquility. This set includes 6 delightful aromatherapy tablets. Enough for multiple moments of blissful relaxation. Whether it's for your girlfriend, daughter, or any special woman in your life, this is a gift that shows you care. What we like? Enjoy a burst of aromatherapy with this convenient pack. It's perfect for trying out different scents or for a shorter trip. If you're looking for a smaller, more manageable option that still provides a delightful shower experience, this is an excellent choice for gifting or personal use. What people say. The scent is amazing and lasts for a long time. These shower steamers create a spa-like experience. They dissolve slowly and release a great amount of steam. Number 1. Shower Steamers Aromatherapy, USA made. Experience an invigorating burst of natural energy with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Made with pure citrus essential oils, they transform your daily shower into a spa-like escape. Crafted with care in the USA using only natural ingredients, these shower bombs offer a clean and refreshing aroma. Enjoy a long-lasting scent that uplifts your mood. Feeling sluggish? Let the vibrant citrus scent revitalize you. These steamers are designed to provide a natural energy boost, helping you start your day right. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is ideal for both women and men, offering a luxurious spa experience they can enjoy at home. It's a perfect present for any occasion. Upgrade your bathroom with these essential shower accessories. They add a touch of luxury and aromatherapy to your everyday routine, making every shower a moment of self-care. Immerse yourself in the bright and uplifting aroma of natural citrus essential oil. It's a refreshing fragrance that awakens your senses and energizes your spirit. What we like? Awaken your senses with the vibrant and uplifting citrus essential oil. These are crafted with natural ingredients for a clean and energizing boost. If you need a pick-me-up to start your day or combat afternoon fatigue, this USA-made option is perfect for an invigorating and natural energy lift. What people say. The scent is amazing and it really helps to relax and unwind after a long day. I love how these steamers fill the shower with a wonderful aroma that makes my bathroom feel like a spa. These shower steamers are a great way to add a little luxury to your daily routine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.